Today, we're going to take a look at the Secure Metrics NIST Cybersecurity Framework version 2.0 Power BI template. We start off with an overview page that overviews both from a text perspective as well as a map of the framework. And then there's also a assessment records and timeline section here, which will show you what is the timeline of assessments performed, how many total assessment files have been imported into the template, what is the most recent assessment, and then what are the actual files that are loaded up. We'll also point out any data quality issues that could be causing some misrepresented data. Going to the overall tab, we're first going to select an assessment date to look at. We'll pick the most recent. And then we have an overview of the overall NIST CSF maturity. We have the assessed maturity, target maturity, a justification, and recommendations. Jumping down into the actual charts here, there's a radar chart that'll show the assessed and target across the 6 functions, as well as a gap assessment that will show the gaps in each function. We also have a assessed and target maturity tier section here, which will show what the achievement was, as well as a line chart that shows it over time, and then a table that has the function name, maturity score, justification, gap, target score, and recommendations. Now let's take a deeper dive on an individual function, and we'll select one here, such as identify. And then we can see we have similar information. So we have the assessed maturity, target maturity, we have a similar radar chart, this time across one level deeper. We can see the assessed and target scores across the different subcategories, as well as the tiers achieved over time. And then a similar table here with the category, score, justification, gap, target, and recommendations. We'll take one look deeper now at the actual category. So let's look at id.am, and similar information here. We're just drilling down deeper and deeper and narrowing our focus. This time looking at it from a specific category and the subcategories that make that up. And then last, we'll take a look at a subcategory here, such as IDAM3. And we can look all the way down to that subcategory and see what was the score, what was the target score, what's our gap, justifications, and recommendations. So that's a quick little demo of the NIST CSF 2.0 Power BI template.